Today I'm going to show you how to upscale images on Midjourney, so let's get into it. Here, as you can see, I have opened my Midjourney library and then I will select any image to which I want to upscale. Now once I have selected my desired image, then I will select which picture I want to upscale it. Like if I want to upscale my first image, I have to click on the U1 option, and if I want to upscale the second image, I have to click on the U2 option. Here I am going to upscale my fourth image from this prompt and I will select on the U4 option. Now as you can see, my image has been upscaled. To save this image, I will right click on it and then hit on the save button. But I want to upscale it more, so I have to click on the open with web option. Once I click on this option, now as you can see, my image has been upscaled. Then if I download this image will be in high quality. So to save this image, I will right click on it and then hit on the save button. So that's how you can upscale any image on Midjourney.